Prescription drug abuse is a serious problem that is too often overlooked. We spoke to two professionals to explore their perspectives on this issue.
I've been in higher education law enforcement for going on 20 years, and I've seen a variety of different uses, illegal uses of prescription drugs by students. Just don't find it as often because people are pretty secretive about their drug prescription use. We know statistically that it's prevalent, and we know nationwide it's very prevalent on college campuses. We've had instances where somebody just couldn't wake up and we weren't able to wake them up although they were still breathing. Immediately what we do is take them to the hospital. We can't determine what exactly drug they have taken, and we've had to do that a few times. I think what a lot of students don't realize that illegal possession of prescription drugs is a serious criminal offense, and being in possession of these drugs carries some serious jail time.
Medical professionals also encounter this issue frequently within their field.
In my current practice setting where I do not prescribe controlled substances, will experience people coming in asking me for something for pain, maybe saying that their current doctor can't see them today or couldn't get, they lost a prescription or, their prescription was stolen or any number of other things. When you're buying it from your drug dealer and you're using it recreationally, they're not checking your family history, your personal medical history. You're not even 100% sure what you're getting. Vicodin's probably the most popular of those. Part of the way that they work, they actually slow down your respirations and your heart rate. And if you take too much of any of those drugs, they can slow it down to such a point where you stop breathing and your heart stops beating and you die. The more of those that you take, you develop a dependence, and people get to such high doses that increases their risk for overdosing on the drug. One thing that a lot of people maybe in the public don't realize is that medicines like Percocet and Vicodin also contain acetaminophen, which is Tylenol, or the generic name for Tylenol. People think Tylenol is no big deal. However, if you're taking Tylenol more than what you're supposed to or more than what's recommended by the manufacturer, that's actually the leading cause of liver failure in this country.
Prescription drugs account for 45% of all overdose fatalities, but that's not the only consequence.
Prescription drug abuse can not only get you in trouble with the law, it can also be deadly.